Hi everyone, today we're making the orange chicken inspired by Panda Express. Slice the chicken thighs into a 1-inch cube, just like this one, and set this aside to prepare the wet batter. Then for the wet batter, add in the flour, starch, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Then add 1 egg and water to complete the wet batter. Add the chicken to the wet batter and mix and cover for at least 30 minutes. Heat a pot or some deep fryer and add some oil. Then we're going to deep fry this until it's golden brown. In a pan, add 1 cup of orange juice, garlic, which I may have chopped up too big, and some ginger. Once it starts to simmer, add the sugar, orange zest, soy sauce, and rice wine vinegar. Continue to let it simmer to dissolve the sugar for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the starch slurry. Once the sauce thickens up, add the chicken and mix for a minute. Place on a plate and garnish it with some spring onions. And of course, we're going to pair it with the rice. And here's our Panda Express inspired orange chicken. Thanks for watching.